Right. So by now you've just created your new Scratch account, and we're going to go right into building your very first app. Maybe not your first, maybe you've used Scratch before, but we're going to be animating your name. So if you have a really long name, then you can shorten it. You can use just your first or last name or a nickname. I'd like you to use between 4 and 8 letters at the most. 8 is a lot. It might take you a while. When you're done, you're going to basically have something that looks like this. I mean, your own thing. And when you click on each letter, different things will happen. So I click on here, it changes the color of the letter. Pretty simple one. This one, and my personal favorite.
Mr. Todd is awesome! And he's so handsome, too!
Yeah, right. So you don't have to do all of those things. You can just follow the tutorial and pick the things that interest you the most. So in order to do that, you're going to go into your new Scratch account, and you're going to go up to here where it says, hang on a second, I have to switch something here. Alt. There we go. You're going to go up to your Scratch account, and you're going to go up to here where it says Create. Click on Create. And then you'll be in a blank Scratch thing. You're going to name it. I'm going to call it Mr. Todd's Name Animation. You can call it, obviously, your own name. And then you're going to go over here and look for the little question mark. On the question mark, click on that. You're going to open up the Animate Your Name tutorial and click here to start and just step yourself through it. Make it as fancy as you can. After you're done, I'm going to show you how to share it on Google Classroom.